In this video, we will learn how to write nuclide notation for atoms. Previously, we learned that every atom has a proton number and a nucleon number. Nuclide notation is a way of showing these two numbers for an atom in a clear and standard format. It is written as this. A is the nucleon number, which is also the mass number. And this is the total number of protons and neutrons. Z is the proton number, which is also known as the atomic number. X is the chemical symbol of the element. Now, let me give you an example. For sodium, the nuclide notation is written as this. This means the atom has nucleon number 23 and 11 protons. The symbol in the middle suggests which element it is. Let's practice using this table. I'll guide you through the first two rows, then you can try the rest. We have in the first row beryllium. From the notation, we can determine several things about this element. The number on top shows the nucleon number, which is 9. The number of the protons is at the bottom, hence proton number is 4. In an electrically neutral atom, the number of protons and electrons are the same. Hence, the number of electrons is 4. If you recall, nucleon number is the sum of the number of protons and number of neutrons. Hence, to find the number of neutrons, we will use this formula. To find the number of neutrons, we will use the nucleon number minus the number of protons, which is 9 minus 4, which gives you 5. All good? Let's move on and try another example. For this, only nucleon number and the number of electrons are given. But we know that this table deals with atoms and atoms are electrically neutral. Hence, the number of electrons are the same as protons, which means we have 5 protons. To find number of neutrons, we will use this same formula. Number of neutrons is the nucleon number minus the number of protons, which is 11 minus 5, which gives you 6. Now we have to determine the identity of this element before we can write down its nuclide notation. Let's refer to the periodic table. We know that the identity of an element can be determined by its proton number. Since it has 5 protons, it must be boron. So we write the chemical symbol of boron, which is B, followed by mass number at the top, which is 11. Then proton number at the bottom, which is 5. That's it. That's the nuclide notation for boron. Okay, I hope things are clearer now. Pause this video and try to complete this table yourself. You will need the periodic table to help you identify the atom. I will go through with you when you are done. Welcome back. Let's go through. Now for carbon, we know the nucleon number by referring to the number at the top, which is 12. The number of protons is the value at the bottom, which is 6. Atoms are electrically neutral, hence the number of electrons is the same, hence we put a 6 here. Number of neutrons is 12 minus 6, which is 6. Now let's move on to the next atom. 7 electrons, which means 7 protons in an electrically neutral atom. The mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons, hence 7 plus 7 is 14. Next, let's identify this element. Refer to the periodic table. Find the element with proton number 7. Yes, you got it. It's nitrogen. Now with all this information, we know the nuclide notation is N7 14. Doing good? Great. Let's continue. Now the number of electrons is the same as proton number, hence it's 8. Number of neutrons is 16 minus 8, which is 8. Identity of this element, you should be expert by now. Yes, get that periodic table. Spot the element with 8 protons. Yes, you got it. It's oxygen. With all this, you should know the nuclide notation is O816. Next, with this nuclide notation, we know that proton number is 9. The number of electrons is also 9. The nucleon number is 19, hence the number of neutrons is 19 minus 9, which is 10. Got it? Good job. Last row, find the number of protons. Now, number of protons is given by the nucleon number minus the number of neutrons, which is 20 minus 10 gives you 10. What element is this? Find the element with proton number 10. Yes, you got it. It's neon. Let's complete the nuclide notation. Ne 10 20. Did you get everything right? Give this video a thumbs up if you did. It's okay if you miss out on 1 or 2. You should be better at writing nuclide notation now. Now in this video, we learned that nuclide notation is written as this. The top number is the nucleon number. The bottom number is the proton number. In a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Number of neutrons is given by the nucleon number minus proton number. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. If you would like to have more chemistry resources, you may check out my website. The link is in the description. Have fun learning chemistry, and I will see you soon.